Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to block already discounted products. If a customer adds them to the cart and then applies a discount code, then the order will be blocked. There are many ways to block discounts for specific items. In this video, we will show you how to block discounted products using product tags and discount status. Here we can see that an on sale tag has been added to the compare at price snowboard. And this is an already discounted item. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several rule types here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which rule type contains it. Then you should select the matching rule type to continue setting up your rule. In this video, we'll use the product tags and discount status conditions. First, we'll search for product tags and check which rule type it falls under. Then we'll search for discount status in the search bar. After searching, we'll see which rule type the product tags and discount status conditions belong to, Essential 1 or Essential 2. We can see that product tags are available in both types, but the discount status condition is available only in Essential 1. Since both conditions are included in Essential 1, we must choose Essential 1. Select this rule to continue. Click on the Add a Condition button under the Rules and Conditions section. Now scroll through the list and select Product Tags. You can also search for it. Searching is easier, so I will use the search option. For this example, we choose Block if found and enter On Sale. Next, we need to add another condition, Discount Status. Again, click on the Add a Condition button, search Discount Status, and select Block if discount is applied. This means if an on-sale tagged product is added to the cart and a discount is applied, then the order will be blocked. Now we will add a proper error message for the customers like, "You can't buy this product. Please contact support for help." Then click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order, and the order completion is fully blocked. This is because an on-sale tagged product, the Compare at Price snowboard, is added in the cart, and this is an already discounted item and also discount is applied, which is restricted by this rule. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Let's try to place the order by clicking on the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom. As expected, the order was not accepted. Now let's remove it and add another product, and then check again. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!